Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a Zulily unboxing to do for you guys today, and it's gonna be a few clothing because you know how I love my clothing. So I figured I would do this one today. It's a big box and I've decided to film in a different spot today. I know the lighting isn't as nice as in the living room, but it's a busy weekend out here because Monday is a holiday, so people are off work and for a few days, and school as well. So the kids are off on Monday, so they have a long weekend. So a lot of people are out here, they're ice fishing and stuff like that with their family. So I didn't want to film in the living room because people are going back and forth and passing by the house, so they can probably look in and see me talking to a camera. So I figured, well, maybe I'll try a different spot in the house and see if that'll help any, but who knows what it's gonna look like until I put it up on my computer. That's when I'll know how it looks. So we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna go right into this box. I hope you guys had a good Valentine's. Mine was pretty quiet. My fiance left Valentine's Day. He would have been here for the whole day, but he had to leave early. They have a meeting at work every couple months or so. They have like a safety meeting, they call it, so that they can revise safety measures, because his work is very what do you call it, sometimes you can do things and it becomes unsafe, so you have to know how to protect yourself. So they have these meetings every now and then to familiarize everybody with the procedures and what they have to do and stuff like that. So he had to go, but he came home about 4 days before Valentine's, and he brought me flowers. I got a card, I got chocolates, so I'm happy with that. I don't need anything else because, I mean, we just had Christmas, and my fiance thinks that Valentine's is a money-making holiday. Well, it's not a holiday, but it's like a holiday. And it's true, it's a money-making thing, but if you look at it, Christmas and all the other holidays are the same because, I mean, people do shop a lot for other holidays as well. But if you look at it that way, well, you know, not everybody celebrates Valentine's. So, I mean, I'm just okay with flowers and a card and I'm good. I don't need anything else. So I wouldn't really read a description on these clothing because I usually put them in the description along with the size that I ordered. So they've got their bubble wrap and a few things in here. So I'm just going to put the box up here and reach my hand and pull out whatever. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this here. It's like a stripe kind of tunic style. And it's got like the burgundy velvet on the sleeve. The bottom of it is stripe. I like stripes. See, I'm wearing stripes today, so it's pretty simple, but I like the velvet. I love velvet clothing a lot. And the style on the bottom is kind of like a knotted style there. I noticed this has been wearing a lot as of recent. So, and this is by the brand Sun and Moon. I don't know if you'll see this because I've got my lighting on the camera cranked up really high because I know the lighting is not as good as in the living room. And this is in a size medium. So nice and simple. I love the color. So that's the first thing. And the next one is, what is this? Oh, this is a dress. It's a wine color dress, and it's got the little crisscrossing at the chest there, and it's short sleeves, and it's not too short. It probably would fall just on the knees for me, which I like. I don't like too much short clothing. And these were like, I think $16.99 or something like that. They had them in all different colors. Pretty simple but nice and cute. You can dress it up with some nice jewelry, nice shoes, and would look super cute. I don't know if you'll see this, but so that's that one. I think I got these in 2 colors. That's the wine or burgundy color, I'm guessing. And this is the other color. This one is the plum colored one. So, see this one here. But it's got the same style. They had different, along with lots of colors in this, they had a different style of dress. The same crisscrossing at the chest, but the style of the dress, I think it had pleats at the waist. It was kind of flared, which I don't really care for pleats because it makes me look more fat, and I'm not exactly a skinny person. So I mean, with pleats, it's gonna make me look really big. I was tempted to buy one, but I said, well, I don't know if it'll work for me. I don't want to buy it and then I don't like it. So it's the same length, same short sleeve, and it's by the same brand. I don't actually have too many of these colors. That is why I chose this color as well. And let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, red and white. I think when I ordered this one, I was thinking of Valentine's, but we don't usually do anything big for Valentine's. So, oh, ooh, that looks big. That looks huge, and this is a size medium. So this is what this looks like. I might have to sell this one back because it's too big. Oh, this sleeve is cute though, and it's a nice red and white. I'll see if I can alter it, take it in a little bit on the sides because it's really huge. I mean, like, this looks like an extra large. So I'm not really impressed with this one, but I can see if I'll get it altered. Okay, so this one, you guys would have seen me show you the teal colored one in a previous video. And I told you that this was the color I wanted first. And they were sold out. So I ended up choosing the teal colored one. And then this one came back in stock after. So I had opened it up to see and try it on to see what size will work for me before I ordered this one. So this is the pumpkin colored one. So this is what this looks like. If you can remember, it's got the neck. You can wear it up like that or fold it down, and then your shoulders are showing through here. So it's like kind of like a cold shoulder style, and it's nice at the bottom. It's got a band. The sleeve has the band, and the back is pretty plain. So I think it's a nice color. I don't have too many of this one. They call it a pumpkin color. So that's the other one. What else have we got here? Okay, this one is another velvet style top. So I don't really care for this black fabric. It didn't look like that on the website. I thought it was just kind of plain black. But I mean, it's not bad. It's got like the velvet color on the sleeve and then like a little pocket on the front there. And it's long. It's got a band on the bottom of the hemming and also on the sleeve. Pretty plain in the back. So I don't care for the black part of it, but it'll work. I mean, who knows? Sometimes things look like you're not gonna like it, but then when you try them on, you see they look nice. So, and then the last thing is Didn't even come in a plastic or anything. This is like a little tunic style, and it's got a little crochet sleeve there. I thought this was cute. I like this. You can wear it as a dress, but I have long legs, so this will never work as a dress for me because it'll be like super short. But you can wear it with white pants. That would look so cute. So that's that. That's everything I got in this box. Except for a wine voucher. They keep sending me, but I can't use it because it's only for the US customers. So, I always end up throwing them out because no sense keeping it if I can't use it. So that was my video, guys, on my Zulily unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And stay tuned because there's going to be lots more videos. I just have to find the time to do them because after I video, I've got to edit, put it through Movie Maker, and then final upload to YouTube, which takes a long time to upload a video because of where we are. It takes a long time, you know, because our internet is slower. So slower means the video is going to take forever to upload. So, but there's going to be more videos because I have so much other stuff to show you guys. So, I hope you're having a good weekend and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye now.